Hi everybody, and welcome back to How To Stuff, the channel where kids can do almost anything. So today we're going to be learning how to make royal icing, and as you can see here I have the ingredients. Here is the stuff we will need to make the icing. 1 egg, half a lemon, 1 whisk, 1 bowl, 250 grams of powdered sugar. Step 1 is to get the egg whites out of this egg. This is how you do that. First, you crack the egg. I have put the whole egg in the bowl. Now I will squeeze this water bottle and put it over the yolk like this. Then I will let go and it will magically go in. I will now start whisking. You have to whisk really, really hard and for a long time. You have to whisk hard and fast, like so. Beat until it is stiff. We're finally done. That took about 10 minutes, and I know that we're done because it's stiff, and if I do this with the whisk, it kind of forms little peaks and stays up. So just to make sure that it's ready, I'm going to do something called the upside down test, where I hold the bowl upside down over my head and hope it doesn't fall. Okay, it's ready. Now I get to do the best part. We get to pour in the powdered sugar. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so we're gonna have to pour it in and mix at the same time, like this, until you get all of the sugar in there. We put in all the sugar, as you can see, and now I have to check if our icing is sticky enough. How you do that is you stick your finger in it. If your finger slips out and there's nothing on it, that means you have to add 1 or 2 drops of lemon. If your finger is like this or dirtier, then it's just fine and the icing is perfect. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make royal icing. Please subscribe and leave comments below on what you want me to teach you how to do next time. Bye!